This is the first computer I've purchased in parts, and Justin helped me put it together. Got the CoolMaster half 935 case. We've got the big fan, so you can see it's a 230 millimeter. Got another one in the front and one on the top right there, and the glass in the back. We're putting in the gigabyte motherboard, USB 3, and into that we'll be putting the AMD 6-core processor, and it's the 1055T. Microsoft Windows 7 Premium version. Over here we have a solid state drive, 60 gigabyte OZC. This is video card, GeForce 470, 1280 megabytes of DDR5. There's the power supply, 850 Roswell Extreme. Oh yeah, we got the LG Blu-ray. There's the adapter. Multi-function card reader. Western Digital 1.5 terabyte. 64 megabytes cache. And the RAM. Skill 8 megs. I think that's just about it. Be interesting to see if everything goes together and how it works.